On the left, we have $1 million cash. On the right, just a single penny, but this penny doubles every day for 30 days. Which one do you pick? Let's see which one is actually better mathematically. Let's say you picked the left side, the $1 million. No jokes here. You have $1 million cash in your hand right now. You can do whatever you want. Buy a luxury house in the USA, a brand new supercar, the latest iPhone. It looks like the smart choice, right? A no-brainer. But was it? Did you just make a huge mistake? Let's check the penny. 1 penny, but it doubles for a month. Day 1, you take the penny. You have $0.01. You can't buy anything. Day 2, it doubles to $0.02. You are still broke. You can't even buy gum. Fast forward to day 8, you have $1.28. Maybe you can buy a cheap coffee? Day 10, you finally reached $5.12. Congratulations, you can afford a McDonald's menu. Meanwhile, your friend who took the million is laughing at you from his yacht. Day 20, we are 2/3 done. Your total is $5,248. With this money, you can maybe buy a used Honda Civic or an old Toyota Prius, but you are nowhere near $1 million. It looks hopeless. But wait, watch the math kick in. Day 22, you have over $20,000. Things are getting serious. Day 25, $167,000. Day 27, $671,000. You are catching up fast. And day 28, boom! Your total is $1,342,177. You now have more than $1 million. The friend who laughed at you is crying right now, and you still have 2 days left. At the end of day 30, your total is $5,368,709. You can retire immediately. You won the game. This is the power of compound growth. Small steps lead to massive results over time. So, which one would you choose now? Write it in the comments below.